Meaning of downscale.
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 Downscale. The term downscale typically refers to the process of reducing the size, scale, or quality of something. For instance, in the world of technology, downscaling may mean reducing the resolution of an image or video file to make it smaller and more manageable. In economics, downscaling can refer to the process of reducing the size or scope of a business in response to changing market conditions. Ultimately, the result of downsizing is a reduction in overall size, complexity, or quality, which may be necessary for various reasons such as cost cutting or increased efficiency.